Hello everyone, I go by the name of Susiso. Today we'll be doing a question that I set for you guys of sequence and series, whereby we are given a geometric series and we have to determine the value of W. This question is examinable and it is worth 6 marks. So let's get started. As you know, a geometric sequence is one where the R is equal throughout the whole sequence. And to find R, you have to do T2 over T1 and equate that to T3 over T2. The next step that we're going to follow is substituting our values from the sequence into the equated R term equation. T2 being W plus 23 over 4 and T1 being W plus 4. And we equate that to W plus 71 over 16 over W plus 23 over 4. Next, we are going to cross multiply to find the value of W, as it is a fraction on both sides. To make it simple, we're going to put these values in brackets. So it's going to be W plus 23 over 4 squared equals to W plus 4 in brackets times W plus 71 over 6. Next, we are going to simplify by taking out the brackets. The first term is W squared plus 23W over 2 plus 529 over 16 this being equal to W squared plus 135W over 16 plus 71 over 4. And we're going to group like terms now, whereby the W squareds will cancel and will remain 49 over 16W being equal to negative 245 over 16. And when we simplify, we get W being equal to negative 5. And we have reached the conclusion of calculating W as we get it as negative 5. Question 2, which says you have to determine the value of R. As I mentioned above, to calculate R, we need to, what R is firstly is the ratio from the geometric sequence, which is found by doing T2 over T1. But first we can simplify. As we got our W as minus 5, we can put it in the sequence and make it a sequence of known terms without the W. So it's going to be negative 5 plus 4. The next term, negative 5 plus 23 over 4 term, negative 5 plus 71 over 16, and negative 5 plus 4 will be negative 1, and our second term will be 3 over 4, and our third term will be negative 9 over 16. And to find our R value, we'll say T2, which is 3 over 4, over negative 1. To find our value of R, we will write T2 over T1. Then we substitute our values being 3 over 4 divided by negative 1, which will give us a value being negative 3 over 4. And if you want to confirm your answer, you can do the same with T3 over T2. And then you substitute your values, which will be negative 9 over 16. Divided by 3 over 4. And if you calculate, you will get the same value as just, which was negative 3 over 4. Which confirms that our R is negative 3 over 4. That's our ratio for the geometric sequence.